Okay, so I'm going to explain how setting and tone are connected in this video, but you won't be able to hear it because I'm talking, but that's okay. I'm just going to go through a couple parts and just explain how setting establishes a tone. So we're going to start off with this. So first off, notice the ocean. It's like peaceful. You can't hear it, but there's like peaceful music, but it's like happy, peaceful, so like hopeful. Has all the birds, nature, very peaceful. Um, right here, I don't know, I feel like that's kind of sad with the birdie just weeding. And then he looks off, and all of a sudden there's no birds. Whereas before there were birds, no, then there weren't, but now there are. And the sand is hard, so I feel like that kind of makes it a little bit sad. And then this is his obstacle, the wave. It's very intimidating. He's back there. And then he does it again. So it uses the wave, it uses the sand to kind of establish how it's intimidating. You can't hear the music, but the music goes a long way towards establishing the tone. And notice the angle on the wave. That's pretty impressive, kind of establishing that tone of like this is an obstacle. We're gonna skip ahead. So here there's happy music. Notice the waves are no longer represented as being quite so intimidating. And it's jumping in the water. Oops, what did I just push? I don't know what I just pushed. So yeah, and it's helping others. Oh, it's so happy. Notice it's also establishing a tone by what the character is doing. We're focusing specifically on setting though, and by setting in a book that usually means what's going on in the surroundings. Like notice the sun is setting, so it shows end of good day, and then it's dark, very peaceful music. So anyway, setting is established in the book by what's going on, and it also helps establish the tone by, well, you feel certain ways in certain places.